Hi guys, welcome to a new video on the channel. This video we will show you why we are not working on cars, because there's a lot of work on the house here, and that's one of the reasons that we are not making a lot of automotive content. But if you stay and watch this video to the end, I will show you what automotive video is coming your way. Stay tuned. So we got to do the windows, and first of all we did the windows downstairs, sanding, filling it where needed with filler, and painting again. That one. The door and the corner window. Silicone, new silicone. We have to paint the silicone when it is hardened. Here also new silicone. And now it is upstairs, but that's something else. I'll show you. See, the wood is rotten here and here and over there, so we have to repair that with new wood and then paint all the rest again. Let's do it. So it was a lot worse than we anticipated. I will show you. See what I mean? And here in the corner, you can take this completely, it's completely loose, we can take it away. And here also. So we will have to make some new wood here and some new wood there. It is not easy, but hey, even the difficult parts are doable, so let's go to work. Thank you for watching the video till the end, and the next video will be about the Range Rover brake bleeding. I bought a new, very handsome tool to do that job, so stay tuned for that. For this video now, thank you all for watching. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up. If you didn't, try to do the same, and watch us find us on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. And most of all, have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.